This is a Crane 70 series furnace. These things send furnace heats up the water, and these things here help push the water through the pipes. This is an older one. This is a newer one. So I guess this side is for the hot water, and this side is for my heat. Yep, because that pipe is running to this radiator right here. I'm learning. I thought it was a National, but my man Todd said it's a Crane. That's why I couldn't find this thing. That goes back on here. These are called circulators. And the red one's the older one, and that's the newer one. Down here is how you bleed the, right here. You can see it. That's how you bleed the burner. You got that screw right there. You put a hose on it. All right. This is the one I have. This is a hot water transfer. This is the older one, and that's the newer one. Of course, you can see the newer ones are smaller. But I just looked this up online, and you can see how much these things cost. This is a Bell and Gossett model. This one says Taco cartridge circulation. And I found several of these online, and they're all cheaper than the older one is. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and have a great day.